943 Chaps. I think this wood border around the garage needs to be repainted. It's fine. You know, it's something we see on most properties. We do have grass in the front and in the back. So we have a screen door. The property manager likes the screen doors because people can enjoy the fresh air without worrying about pets or kids escaping or other people coming in. The garage door is right off to the left. I think this floor plan is the same as Apostle, which is a house that I recently visited. It doesn't look like we have earthquake straps on the garage door. The house does smell of smoke. So it may need to be repainted with Kills, which is fine. It probably could use a repaint anyway. And maybe replace the carpet, but as you can see, it's mostly hard flooring in here. So installing carpet about $1.50 a square foot is a fairly relatively minor expense. Cabinets overall look pretty good. I mean, it's lived in, so of course you can see that it's been lived in. But we have solid counters and an undermount sink. We may want to install a gooseneck faucet. We already have a space-saver microwave in place, so that's nice. Need a fridge, of course. Blinds. I'm going to go ahead and count the blinds over the kitchen sink, although there's a lot of privacy back there. We may not need it. These blinds on the doors here are inside the glass panes, so they should be fine. It's really nice that we have the concrete and the patio cover already installed. This is the south side of the house, so it would be getting the majority of the sun, and there it is. Really mature trees and landscaping, which should be very appealing to a lot of people. A little fan out here, I don't know if it works. The trees, of course, offer a great deal of privacy that you wouldn't have otherwise. Oh yeah, let's see. I don't know exactly what I'm looking at there, but at least it does offer privacy. I'm going to say that we need bifold doors here for the laundry. So not quite positive what this is. It looks like it may be a desk and a Murphy bed. But I'm going to say we junk that and maybe add closet doors here. We need blinds on the other side of this. It looks like this is actually painted on, so I don't know if the property manager would want to install a paper arch fan for about $50 to cover that up. Of course, there's a change in flooring here, but it is tile and they seem to have done a decent job with the installation. Carpet in this room, blinds need to be replaced with 2.5-inch faux blinds. Need some closet doors here as well. We do have a fan. Missing some light bulbs, but it is there. Don't know if it works. That's something we'd find out from the inspector. Cabinets are showing a bit of wear. It may not matter. That's property manager's call. I'm going to put light fixture down. Light fixture and hall bath. Also, sorry, this door handle does not lock, which is a good thing, but it is an older style. So whether or not we want to keep them is property manager's opinion. That one does not lock either, but it's pretty old. This one does lock. So if we replace one, you'd probably want to replace them all. And then if we replace all the bedrooms, we have this closet right here, plus we have this door. So I'm going to go ahead and say 6 for this door, 7, at least 7 interior door handles. Interior door handles, only 2 are locking. 2 locking. And then of course this door, which leads to the backyard, is close enough that we'd want the door handles to match, but may have to rekey this. So rekey. We have tile in the bathroom, which is great. Shower pan may be okay with a good janitorial. Maybe you get some caulking. I'm gonna put blinds down for this room. Cabinets show a normal usage. Light fixture that's a little too unique for us. Well, I think it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down on the list. Nothing usual in here, but this would be one more door, so it would be 8. Whether or not it locks would be the property manager's call. Okay, I think that's it.